The Evenflo True Lip set comes with 6 stunning pink and mauve tone pigments in a REACH-compliant global formula. Want to find out more? Then keep watching. These lip colours have been developed by world-class artist Lulu Siciliano in collaboration with Permablend Looks. The 100% EU REACH-compliant globalised formula means that lip blush artists anywhere in the world can use these shades on their clients. What else is unique about this set? The True Lips pigments come in a hybrid formula, which is the perfect balance between organic and inorganic for even and neutral fading. This formulation will promote long-lasting retention and optimal heel results with every treatment. Like all Evenflo products, True Lips has been developed with a machine-optimized formula, meaning they will work perfectly with your needle cartridge and PMU machine. The pink and mauve tone pigments within the set are completely unique, and the high pigment load within the colours guarantees vivid heel results in the lips. Shades include Dirty French, an earthy, harmonious shade with a neutral undertone; Naturalista, a cinnamon nude tone pigment; Royal Mauve is a lilac brown shade with a subtle cool undertone; and Romance is an expressive pink with a neutral undertone. Rock Rose is an elegant dusty pink shade with a subtle cool undertone; and Divinizer is a powdery lilac shade with a cool undertone. Some of the True Lips pigments such as Royal Mauve, Naturalista and Dirty French have been designed for unisex use, meaning you can use these colours on a huge range of clients to create a variety of different looks. If you want to try this incredible pigment set, you can order Evenflo True Lips now in the link in the description. If you've tried these pigments, make sure to tag us on Instagram so we can see the results. As always, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for product reviews, free educational content and exclusive artist interviews. Only available on the Killer Beauty YouTube channel.